Once you have all the data in the return, you are ready to file. The place to go is the Transmit sidebar. Here you'll see a box for every return type or form you must file for that taxpayer. And each taxpayer has their own list in the sidebar. You can resolve outstanding messages from here or click the link to see them in the Review sidebar. And since coupled and family returns share data, TaxCycle also alerts you when there are outstanding messages on other returns in the file. Once you resolve all the messages in the sidebar, you are ready to file the return. And for the T1 return, the first thing you do is go to the T183 and make sure your client has signed it. If you use Tax Folder, the status automatically updates when your client signs the form. And if not, you must confirm receipt of the signatures here in the sidebar. And remember to keep a copy on file, as the CRA checks on these things every now and then. When you are ready to file, you have a few options. You can click Transmit Now on each box in the sidebar for each taxpayer. Or, for a particular taxpayer, click Transmit Selected at the bottom of the sidebar. If you're filing for a family, you can go to the Tools menu and click Transmit Family. And this process will allow you to review and file all the returns in the current file for all taxpayers. Finally, if you prefer, you can close the file in the Ready to Transmit state and then batch transmit from the Client Manager. TaxCycle is set up to automatically create a snapshot and lock the return upon filing, so you don't accidentally make any changes, and so it's really quick and easy to do an adjustment should you need to later. And if your client has signed up for Express Notice of Assessment download, you'll be able to download the Notice of Assessment from this sidebar as well.